Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you get notified when we upload new videos. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download ChatGPT app on your Android device. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that you can search the web for almost anything. To download, open Play Store on your device. Then in the search bar, type ChatGPT. When you get to the ChatGPT app, press on install and your download will begin. Once the download is completed, the app will be installed on your device. Then press open to open the app. Now you can continue signing in with your Google account or your Apple account, or you can sign up if you're a new user. Let's proceed with continue with Google. You can then continue using ChatGPT using your login information from Google, Microsoft, Apple, or any other valid email address. In this way, you can download, install, and use ChatGPT on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.